Hi, today I'm going to show you how to record a DocuTalk link from the Chrome extension. First, go to Chrome Web Store. Next, type DocuTalk. Add to Chrome. You can close this window. Next, click on the puzzle icon. Pin DocuTalk to your browser. Now, let's allow the access to your local files so you can use your local files to create DocuTalk presentations in dual media. Click on the three dots, More Tools, Extensions. Click on Details. Make sure to allow access to file URLs. Now let's record. You can record a DocuTalk link from the PDF on the cloud or from a local document open in Chrome or Edge. Like so. Click on the extension icon. You can sign in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. You can sign up with the Google sign-on or use an email and password. Let's sign on. Now you can change the name to a more appropriate name. Click on Load. The live document will appear in the background. Along with it, the hovering, draggable presenter box will float on the live document. Click on Record. Okay, now you're recording. You can add annotations to highlight a particular point. Scroll to the pages, add new annotations. Once you're done, you can click on the green button to stop it. Get the link, give it a name, keep the link as unlisted. It means whoever receives the link can open it, however, it's not searchable. Click on Save. And that's it. Your link is ready. It is processed though. Okay, now it means that the link has been processed and you can send it already to your recipient. Let's copy it. Next time we will review the different sharing options. Let's see the results. This is what your recipient will see. Okay, now you're recording. You can commentary add annotations here to highlight. Then the annotations. Scroll to the pages. Add new annotations. Once you're done, let's pause. Click on the green. On pause, this is not a frozen image. Your recipient can even close the presenter box and use the presentation in document mode only. Or your recipient can reply with the same box while the document is still live open on the right page. We'll see that in the next presentation. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.